Entering the wrong password too many times can trigger 30 attempts remaining. This video explores the causes and offers 8 solutions, plus 1 ultimate fix to regain access safely. Part 1. Why the enter password to unlock 30 attempts remaining occurs. Wrong password triggers lockout. Suspicious activity limits access. Secure apps miscount attempts. Software glitches cause errors. FERP needs Google account. Third-party apps miscount. Incorrect time or date miscounts. Part 2. Fix enter password to unlock 30 attempts remaining in 8 basic ways. Way 1. Wait for the timeout before retrying. Way 2. Reopen the application. Way 3. Utilize Google account recovery. Way 4. Remove FERP lock. Way 5. Type in backup PIN or pattern. Way 6. Try Google Find Hub. Way 7. Factory reset recovery mode. Way 8. Visit an authorized service center. Part 3. Ultimate way to fix enter password to unlock 30 attempts remaining. Specialist. Struggling with a locked Android can feel like hitting a dead end. Yet Android Lockwiper offers a lifeline by letting users enter passwords. With 30 attempts remaining. How to bypass the 30 attempts remaining to unlock an Android phone. Using Android Lockwiper, begin the procedure by downloading and installing Android Lockwiper on your PC. Choose Remove Screen Lock and click Start. The app will download and transfer the data. Follow the on-screen instructions. To reset your phone, keep it connected during the process to remove the passcode. The app will transfer the data. Follow on-screen instructions to reset your phone. Keep it connected to remove the passcode.